So hi guys, it's literally 11:35. Look, and it's literally nighttime. Like it's 11 a.m. I'm gonna do this video very fast, and let's get right into this. So guys, thank you for 2 more subscribers. Lovely, thank you for the subscribe, and the other guy that just subscribed too. Thank you very much. Anyways, I wanna give you guys free fruits on Meme C. It's the game called Meme C. Like this. So yeah, it's a game. That's why I write game. So anyways, I'm gonna give y'all guys so y'all play this and get max level like me, which is on the left green in the bottom. It's right there. Level max 2400 level max. And I'm gonna show you guys the dough fruit too. See, this is all mythic. Dough fruit, dog fruit, dark, and flop. This is literally all the mythic fruit. So I'm telling you, comment the video, subscribe, and just type your username in the comments and get this for free. It's very easy. Just comment your username, you get dough fruit. Or dog. Let me showcase them. Alright, first off, the dark fruit, which is so bad, but you can combo and get a lot of I forgot. Anyway, let's start. Okay. So this is flop power. This one right here. This one right here. It's flop power. So look. First move. 5,000 damage. Anyways, second move. 4,000. Third move. Flopa Shrine. This is one of the best moves in the game. Yeah, but only for a second. It does 4,000 damage. Now Mirror. 5,000. In the fifth move, you can fly. So yeah. Then Dark Power. Dark. Just eat. Now this, look at this. First move, Dark Hollow. It does 5,000 damage. Not bad. Not bad. Second move, Dark Flop. 4,000 damage. Black Hole. You're supposed to hold this one. Okay. Now the fourth move. Dark Cube. Which is meant to be like the black hole. Yeah. The fifth move, you can just teleport anywhere. See? Wait, let me. But this thing does a lot of damage. Look. All combined together does 15,000 damage. But the fifth one doesn't do any damage. Okay, to the next one. Dark Power. This is one of my favorite fruits. Ooh, Mimsy. Mim Beast. Anyway, like this. Anyways, look at this. Doctor. Boom. 4,730. Dark Power. You can just hold it 4,000 damage. No. Later 4,000. The summon. It can literally add tax. It literally is your pet. It can save you. It can fight. I'll kill you later. And dog fight. Ooh, they're updating. Oh guys. Alright. Well, see you guys tomorrow, I guess. It's literally 12, oh no, 11:46. We'll see you guys next time in another video. And thank you for watching. Bye.